Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be featuring some X Jelly gel from Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So you guys, I have for you today 5 colors from the X Jelly Gel Hema Free gel 15 milliliter bottles collection, and we're gonna go through this little by little. There's 37 colors in this set, so in this collection, so you can pick an array of colors if you have your preference. Again, they come in 15 milliliter bottles, super huge, new style bottles. I'm going to open them up now to show you guys. But I'm going to actually talk through these features here. We have, again, a new packaging, new boxes to represent the new Hema Free formula, as well as new bottles. Like I said, very interesting shape. But the color tabs are on here, so that's nice. Some of their gels have them, some of them don't, but it's nice to have these here. And then there's actually different kinds of jelly in this collection, and we'll go over that. Okay, so I have glitter jelly 08, ice jelly 06. See, and then these are in number order, and I think they might be grouped together, so all the ice jellies and glitter jellies. Okay, and we have semi jelly. I'm just going to show this here if you can see this. Oh, maybe not the tail end, but yes, so they have glitter jelly, ice jelly, and semi jelly. I think those are the 3 groups in this collection, and I'll go over what each of them mean. And then here I just picked a few colors from this collection, but it's nice to have all of them eventually. I love jellies. Okay, this is another ice jelly. They are compatible with LED or UV lamp, so you don't really have to have either or. You can have either one. And then also, you guys, we have, so, all right, let me see what we got here. The ice jellies, they are 30% transparency. And then the semi jelly is the 50% transparency. I'm not too sure what the glitter jelly is at, really. It may be at 75%, but that's for their Milky Jelly series. So, let's see. At any rate, so again, like I was saying, these are Hema free. They're created with their Hema sensitive customers in mind. It's a cleaner gel experience. It's 10 toxin free, no toluene, parabens, camphor, dibolytyl phthalate, formaldehyde resin, ethyl, tosylamide, formaldehyde, of course, Hema, xylene, and triphenyl phosphate. These are cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. Low odor, which is great because some of them smell. Natural resin and safe for skin, but of course you always would rather be safe than sorry, so don't ever have any nail products touch your skin. Okay, so these apparently are long lasting. I don't know, I find gel generally long lasting, and you really only need it to last for 2 weeks in my book, but supposedly long lasting. And that's about it for what I have for you in my spiel. Again, I am an affiliate with Born Pretty. I will leave my affiliate link in the description box below. Please go ahead and use that link along with my 10% discount code. The link will definitely help me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. So let's save the glitter jelly for last. And we're gonna start with the what did I say here? This is the ice jelly, and this is 30% transparent. Okay, so let's swatch this, you guys. First, let me do my thing here. There's just too much going on. My typical presenting of the bottle. It's been a while, so lovely bottle. It feels very nice and smooth. The color's matte. I love it. All the info on this bottle, as well as the color tab. Let's open it up and see if it matches the color tab. It's a little darker, I think. Way darker, actually. But this is the gel polish here. I'm gonna swatch this because maybe it'll look different on the swatch. And I'm only gonna do one coat. And this color is more like a grape. I kind of like it. You guys, I normally do these unboxings live, but I just got back from the Philippines yesterday, and I am so exhausted from my trip. One thing I would tell you is do not work while you're on like a different time zone. Will I do it again? Yes, because I'm a glutton for punishment. But yeah, so my sleep is all out of whack. But you know what? That's how I live my life. As you may know. Okay, let's do another ice jelly. And this one is Ice Jelly 06. I am sorry, I didn't even tell you that this one was Ice Jelly 10. This is Ice Jelly 6. It looks like a blue. Let's see if it also looks like a blue. Straight from the bottle. Yep, it definitely looks like a blue. This looks more transparent than the grape looking one. And I think it matches closer to the tab. So once my swatch is done curing, we'll compare it to the sticker label and see if it matches. Yeah, it's kind of close there, right, you guys? Pretty close. Sometimes the tabs look nothing like it. Alright, so let's swatch this one. Again, one layer. I kind of, after doing this for some time, I kind of have an idea of what 2 layers would look like, 3 layers when you see the first layer. So I just like doing 1 layer on my swatches to give me an idea of what it would really look like with just 1 swatch. And then just guesstimating how many layers I would need if I want the color to be more prominent. But I like jellies the way they are, so I really don't like to change so much the opacity by adding too many layers. But that's it for the ice jelly. I will leave this here so we can compare it after it finishes curing. So let's move on to the semi-jellies. This is 50% transparency. Again, same bottle. Beautiful bottle. This is semi-jelly 06. And this one's like a pretty rose color. Okay. And let's talk about price points. Price points for each bottle is $9.99. Again, if you use my affiliate link along with my discount code, it'll be an extra 10% off. So definitely take advantage of that. Alright, so here we have the blue. It's pretty much similar. So I like that. Okay. Now let's swatch this Semi Jelly 06.
I've been living on the border with Mexico so long that I actually left my wife. Today, we celebrate our anniversary. And since you're all here,
And it's coming out like a nude color, but I like that. I love jelly nudes.
enjoy your dinner.
This has a little bit of pigment to it, so it can kind of, in my mind, kind of color correct your base nails if you have, you know, random coloration going on, because I don't know, I always feel like, you know, when my nails are natural, they just look patchy. I don't know. I don't know. Comment below if you know what I'm talking about. While we are waiting, we will take a look at this other Semi Jelly. This one here is Semi Jelly 10. This is a greenish color, which I think I'm going to like. So you know I like my greens. Ooh. This is like a minty color or like a forest color. So we'll see what that looks like swatched. Now with Born Pretty, I'm just trying to select colors that kind of fit the rainbow, Roy G. Biv kind of thing, because I tend to end up getting a lot of pinks, and it's not my cup of tea to have an array of pinks when I'm not going to be using it a lot. Anyway, side by side, these labels are pretty close. I am kind of impressed because usually the labels do not look anything like the swatch. But yeah, I like that. See, it'll go well with like trying to do just a natural cover on your nail, on your natural nail. Okay, let's swatch this green. And my backdrop is green, so I can't really see what's going on. Comment below if the backdrop is a little like what's the word? Distracting. I love the little mat because I never know what I'm doing, and I like to have it. It's a nice solid, you know, kind of thing, and I could take a knife to it and it won't obviously scratch up my desk. Even at this point now, this desk is old, and for sure I probably scuffed it enough to where there's no point into protecting it anymore. But yeah, comment below if this is a distraction. I personally like it. But anyway, let's do our last one. This is from the Glitter Jelly group 08, and again, I'm not too sure what percentage the opacity is. It might be 75. But this is so pretty. It looks like a light bar of gold. I guess when it says glitter, it might be microscopic glitter to the point of powder, because it looks like a chrome, to be honest. But squeaky. But there are other glitters that seem to look more glittery. I got this because it looked kind of iridescent like, but I think it's just the yellow sheen on it then. But let's compare these two. Again, fairly similar. I don't know if my camera is picking it up very well, but I'm very impressed with the color labels. They're pretty much what they look like. And I'm actually going to side by side their website to show you, sometimes even their pictures online tend to be a little different from reality. So we're going to side by side them and then see if that matches either. That's the glitter. Look how pretty that is. So that pretty much already I knew looked like the tab. But let's just whip out my phone here, you guys. And these are the colors that they have in their collection. Oops. Again, it's 37 colors. That red is really nice, but I already have a red. Like this color here, very nice for, like, I always find colors around the pinkish tone are so perfect for just natural nails. Just putting like a layer on your natural nail, and then all these other ones. I'm gonna have to do a set, as you know, using only these colors, and I'm freaking out, to be honest, because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I think I have an idea, but it's not like I'm reinventing any wheel, so it's hopefully I can do something nice. But here's the side by side. It is very similar, so I'm really happy with the tabs, the labels, I mean, in this collection. They do match what they look like inside the bottle. Let's line these up. I know I don't have room. I never have room. But anyway. Okay, we have this, and then I'm going to take this to my screen here. So this is the purple and purple. It does look the same. And the blue and blue. The blue is a little light on this one. It's a little darker on this one. The green is lighter on this one than that. The yellow glitter, I think it's behind this guy here, but this is more prominent, which is in my book a lot better than what that is over there. And then this pink, I don't really remember where I got that. Maybe like this one? No, this one, I think it's the same. So for the most part, the swatching does match the labels and the picture. So I'm really happy and shocked, because I always find that their labels and everything just do not match, like I said. But there you have it, you guys. Go check out my future video. I'm going to be posting a design using only these colors. Again, a little freaked out. Don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do it. And just lining this up. There's no picture window anymore, so it's not as fun. But these bottles look so posh and very sleek and chic. It's very elegant for display and everything. And again, this is from their Hema free collection. New packaging. There's no way you're gonna confuse regular polish from their Hema, so go check them out, you guys. Again, I'll leave the link for my affiliated code in the description box below, along with my 10% discount. Using both definitely helps me out and helps you out. And for my lineup, I'm going to try, now that I'm back here in the USA, to go back to my regular scheduled programming, along with my April nails. I know I'm already behind a week, but I'm going to be presenting that. So I have a lot of content for you. It's going to be real fun. And I have some specials from the Philippines that I hope that you'll enjoy. But thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.